Hello world, this is your math tutor Anju, and in this video we'll be learning how to expand numbers using exponential notation. Let's first look at the different powers of 10 and their values. 10,000 is 10 repeatedly multiplied 4 times and is equal to 10 to the power of 4. 1000 is 10 times 10 times 10 and is equal to 10 to the power of 3. 100 is 10 times 10, which is equal to 10 squared. And 10 is equal to 10 to the power of 1. We have already seen the property a to the power of 1 is equal to a. That is, any number raised to the power of 1 is equal to the number itself. And 1 is equal to 10 to the power of 0. This is based on the property a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. That is, any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. We have also seen that a to the power of negative b is equal to 1 by a to the power of b. So, 1 by 10 can be written as 10 to the power of negative 1. 1 by 100 is equal to 1 by 10 times 10, that is 1 by 10 square, and this can be written as 10 raised to the power of negative 2. 1 by 1000 is equal to 1 by 10 times 10 times 10, that is 1 by 10 cube, and this can be written as 10 raised to the power of negative 3. Let's try expanding the whole number 9,856. Here 9 is in the thousands place, 8 in the hundreds place, 5 in the tens place, and 6 in the ones or the units place. This can be written in the expanded form as 9 times 1000 plus 8 times 100 plus 5 times 10 plus 6 times 1. Here 1000, 100, 10 and 1 can be written as powers of 10. 1000 is 10 times 10 times 10, which equals 10 to the power of 3. 100 is 10 times 10, which is equal to 10 square. 10 is equal to 10 raised to the power of 1. And 1 is equal to 10 to the power of 0. Therefore, 9,856 can be written in the expanded form using exponential notation as 9 times 10 to the power of 3 plus 8 times 10 to the power of 2 plus 5 times 10 to the power of 1 plus 6 times 10 to the power of 0. Let's try expanding one more number, 56,872. Here 5 is in the 10,000s place, 6 is in the thousands place, 8 is in the hundreds place, 7 in the tens place, and 2 is in the units or the ones place. 56,872 is written in the expanded form as 5 times 10,000 plus 6 times 1000 plus 8 times 100 plus 7 times 10 plus 2 times 1. Once again, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 and 1 can be written as powers of 10. 10,000 is 10 repeatedly multiplied 4 times and is equal to 10 to the power of 4. 1,000 is 10 to the power of 3. 100 is 10 to the power of 2. 10 is 10 to the power of 1 and 1 is equal to 10 to the power of 0. Therefore, 56,872 can be expanded using exponential notation as 5 times 10 to the power of 4 plus 6 times 10 to the power of 3 plus 8 times 10 to the power of 2 plus 7 times 10 to the power of 1 plus 2 times 10 to the power of 0. Now that we have looked at expanding whole numbers, let's move on to expanding decimal numbers using exponential notation. Let's consider a decimal number 563.248. Here 5 is in the hundreds place, 6 in the tens place, 3 in the ones place. And in the decimal part, 2 is in the tenth place, 4 is in the hundredth place and 8 is in the thousandth place. We would expand this as 5 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10 plus 4 into 1 by 100 plus 8 into 1 by 1000. Once again, 100, 10, 1, 1 by 10, 1 by 100 and 1 by 1000 can be written as powers of 10. 100 is equal to 10 square, 10 is equal to 10 to the power of 1 and 1 is equal to 10 to the power of 0. And applying the property 1 by a to the power of b is equal to a to the power of negative b, we can write 1 by 10 as 10 raised to the power of negative 1. Similarly, 1 by 100, which is equal to 1 by 10 square, can be written as 10 raised to the power of negative 2. And 1 by 1000, which is equal to 1 by 10 cube, can be written as 10 raised to the power of negative 3. Therefore, 563.248 can be expanded using the exponential notation as 5 times 10 square plus 6 times 10 to the power of 1 plus 3 times 10 to the power of 0 plus 2 times 10 raised to the power of negative 1 plus 4 times 10 raised to the power of negative 2 plus 8 times 10 raised to the power of negative 3.